Ever wondered why some athletes seem immune to injuries? Their secret might be the understanding of movement analysis and corrective training. It's a two-step process. First, we need to observe and analyze how our bodies move during exercises like squats. Are our hips uneven? Do our knees tend to collapse inward? These could be signs of muscular imbalances, a common culprit behind many sports injuries. Second, we use balance exercises like standing on one leg to identify disparities between our left and right sides. But identifying these imbalances is only half the battle. The other half is addressing them. That's where corrective training comes in. By using targeted mobility and strength exercises, we can correct these imbalances, improving our performance and, more importantly, preventing injuries. So remember, a keen eye for movement and targeted training can keep those pesky injuries at bay. Structured training plans aren't just for the pros. They're for anyone who wants to stay injury-free. It's like crafting a blueprint for a building. You wouldn't just start laying bricks without a plan, would you? The same goes for your body. Without a well-designed training program that takes into account all your activities and competitions, you're setting yourself up for potential injuries. Now let's talk about periodized training models. These are not your everyday workouts. They're meticulously crafted programs that gradually increase intensity and volume over time. Picture it as a series of phases, each with a specific goal in mind: preparation, strength, competition, and recovery. Each phase playing a pivotal role in your overall athletic performance and injury prevention. The preparation phase gets your body ready for the more intense workouts to come. The strength phase is where you build up muscle and power. The competition phase is when you put all that hard work to the test. And the recovery phase? That's just as important, if not more so. This is when your body heals and gets stronger. And here's the kicker. Within each phase, you must incorporate recovery days and even weeks to prevent overtraining and injuries. Yes, rest is a part of training. It's like hitting the pause button to let your body catch up and adapt to the new demands you're placing on it. A well-structured training plan is your roadmap to an injury-free athletic journey. Did you know that what you eat and drink can impact your injury risk? That's right, proper nutrition and hydration play a critical role in injury prevention. Consuming enough of the right nutrients is like providing your body with the building blocks it needs. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats all work together to support muscle and tissue growth and repair. This is crucial in helping your body recover from the stresses of physical activity. Now let's talk hydration. Water isn't just refreshing, it's vital. Dehydration can sneak up on you, leading to muscle cramps and increasing your injury risk. Picture your muscles like a sponge. When they're well hydrated, they're pliable and resilient. But when they're dry, they become brittle and prone to injury. So whether you're a pro athlete or just love the game, remember this: your body is a well-oiled machine. Fuel it right, and it will serve you well. Ever skipped a warm-up or compromised on gear? You might be setting yourself up for injury. Warm-ups are not just a preamble to the main event, they are a vital part of the performance. They awaken your body and mind, preparing you for the physical demands of the game. Think of it as a systems check, ensuring all gears are in motion and ready to go. A good warm-up should include light cardiovascular activities like jogging or skipping rope, followed by dynamic stretches that mimic the movements you'll be making during the game. But we mustn't overlook the role of proper gear in injury prevention. It's not just about looking the part, it's about protecting your body. Helmets, pads, mouth guards, the right footwear, they all have a role to play, especially in contact sports like football. Each piece of equipment is designed to shield you from harm, absorbing the impact that would otherwise be taken by your body. And don't forget about the importance of the right fit. Ill-fitting gear can not only be uncomfortable, but it can also increase your risk of injury. So take the time to find gear that fits you well and meets the demands of your sport. Remember, the right warm-up and gear are your armor against injuries. They're not optional extras, but essential components of safe and effective athletic performance. So, suit up, warm up, and play safe. Trainers and coaches aren't there just to push you harder. They're your guides to an injury-free athletic journey. These professionals are skilled in observing and correcting your movement patterns, honing in on your technique, and enhancing your body control. Every grimace, every wince, every slight discomfort you feel during training, they need to know. It might seem trivial, but reporting these minor aches and pains could potentially nip a more serious injury in the bud. And it doesn't stop there. Recovery is just as important as the training itself. Trainers and physical therapists work together to create a structured recovery process tailored to your needs. This could include specific stretches, massages, or even water therapy. The goal? to restore your body to its optimal condition, ready for the next bout of training or the next big game. Listen to your trainers and they'll help you steer clear of injuries. Basketball players, this one's for you. Let's talk about how you can stay on the court and out of the physio's office. First off, maintaining fitness is paramount. Regular conditioning exercises keep your body in top form, reducing the risk of injury. This doesn't just mean running layup drills or practicing jump shots. Incorporating a variety of cardio, strength, and flexibility exercises into your routine ensures all muscle groups are engaged and helps prevent overuse injuries. Proper technique is also crucial. This includes everything from how you dribble and shoot to how you land after a jump. Incorrect landing technique is a common cause of ankle and knee injuries in basketball, so pay special attention to this aspect. Using appropriate equipment is another key. Wearing basketball shoes with good ankle support and grip can help prevent slips and twists. Also, consider wearing protective gear like padded compression shorts or knee pads, especially if you have a history of injury in these areas. Ensuring a safe playing environment is vital too. This doesn't just mean a court free of debris, it also means playing with sportsmanship and respect for the rules of the game. A lot of injuries happen because of unnecessary roughness or disregard for safety rules. Now let's talk about specific exercises and training that strengthen the foot, ankle, and knee. These areas are often injured in basketball, but they can be strengthened. Plyometric exercises such as jump squats and box jumps improve lower body strength and power. Balance exercises like single leg stands and heel-to-toe walks improve ankle stability. And don't forget about flexibility exercises for your calves and hamstrings, which can help prevent muscle strains. This might seem like a lot, but remember, injury prevention is an ongoing process. It's about integrating these strategies into your everyday routine and making them a part of your game. So, basketball players, remember these tips and keep shooting those hoops injury-free.